subscribe with notifications on.
Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. Today we've decided to go out. We are actually at Kuala Lumpur night market street. They call it street food market. Night street food market. Street food night market. That's where we are. We're trying to buy some things, and you know, they've got such a nice things here. But I get dragon fruit. I think it's this one. Dragon fruit is this one. Look at this juice. 10 ringgit. Beautiful. Put it, why on the pocket, my boy? Yeah, thank you. Come, let's go. So, apa macam kalau marah-marah batu, orang-orang. Right, so Mr. K's Travel Club, guys, is here to showcase the beauty of Kuala Lumpur night street food market, guys. Night street food market. When you come to Kuala Lumpur, you must come and have some quality time here, where you can buy a lot of things. You can buy food, you can buy everything. Paprai, you can buy anything. They call it paprai. Is it paprai or what? But you know, they sell everything, these people here. You know, you see even this one is cooking outside with a stove. Huh? They are eating from outside. All right? Yeah, people are eating, guys. They say life is good. Travel, guys. Life is good. Travel, guys. Let's travel, guys. Let's travel, guys. So you can see. So we're going that side now. We started here, we came from here. We came from here. We came from here, now we're going that side, guys. Nice fish. Now check the place where they're selling power banks. Where are they? They are there, you see now, they're waiting. They're buying. Come. Right. So, Mr. K's Travel Club, guys.
Can I taste some?
What is it?
Crab.
Crab. Do you cook?
It's ready to eat.
It's ready to eat.
Yeah.
This one ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Are you serious?
It's not yet. It's still like
Ready to eat, guys.
yeah. Oh, that one is not ready.
Yeah.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Seafood need fresh. Not fresh cannot eat. 有膏啊，这种有膏，膏对吧？那几只，一只3.8，3只有折扣15块，3只
Go,
99。
come on.
I thought you wanted to taste some.
No.
You wanna taste
No,
some?
no. Yeah, it's time.
我买了可以做大杯吗？
Okay, let's go, guys. Nanga si ichi. Guys, can I get a fish? Fish in a garata, white. Fish. How much? 7.
Yeah. Remember this word. This is not South African fish.
Okay. Like, this is not a South African fish. I remember these weights. I shouldn't try buying a goat.
I've tasted it before. I know it looks like this, but they.
Buying a goat.
I said hello to the for how many people? Why can't he like the great fish? Can take it on me.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Welcome to street food market, guys. Night street food market. Night street food market. Where is it? Come, guys. Jay, why are you saying you don't know? You must. Actually, you're supposed to help me. That's rude, Pale. How do you don't know? But you must check. Again, I'm working with you, so you must check. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. But it's okay. It's okay. All right. So here we can see. All right, some chips.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
It's too tight. Come here.
Come, guys.
Come here.
And then,
Yeah.
what's happening?
I talking. Today, come here. Why you not? You talking in Hamburg.
That one. He's not even wearing shoes. But he's walking on a place where they sell food. Okay, come, babe. No, it's okay. Come, Jake. Huh?
சொல்லுங்கம்மா எப்படி நீங்க ரியாக்ட் பண்றீங்க லைக் வாட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ட்
Yeah, guys, so they're selling something that I don't even know what is it, but it's okay, you know. They call it hot squid.
This one try, sir.
I see.
लाल टमाटर की तरह होती है
Well, guys, it's very good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll have to end here. Then I will see you again as time goes on. We'll meet again. Thank you very much, guys. Well, I saw Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. So we are proceeding with the video, with the live scenery of what's happening here. So there is also they sell Coke for a 5 ringgit. This is very good. These people, they actually know how to make money. You see, they're not sleeping. You see, you have something like this at home. You put some ice, you put something like that, you make money.
It makes this that is slushy Coke. That's why the ice is there.
That's nice. Here's a nice table. No, she's in front. No, she's in front.
This is yummy. You must eat it now. It's hot.
I'll eat it at home. I need a sweet corn, where's guys? I need a sweet corn.
That is it. This is it. It's sweet.
No, not that one. Oh, that one there, yeah, that one. I need a sweet corn. Where is it? Not this one.
Not sweet corn.
No, not this one. Yeah, babe, yeah. Yeah, sweet. How much? 7. And that one is 5. Is it ready to eat? Or is it ready to eat?
There's cooking and there's frying. I didn't push.
Oh.
How many? I was pushing and I think you want to cook. Okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. Why next time I know? Because I don't know because you change your mind.
Durian, kakek po.
I need a flipping view.
So, babe, we need to go to pavilion. Let's see. The pavilion, where is it?
There's cars there, guys.
Where is pavilion, guys?
I don't know.
I don't know how you.
You don't like my I don't know.
I don't like your don't. I don't know.
I'm telling the truth.
Okay, babe. I think the pavilion. Where is it here?
That side. This is not that side.
Where?
It has to be that side. One
No, pavilion is that side.
Then us.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Park Royal is there. It's that side.
Why was that pavilion?
Home. When I'm in pavilion, we're at home.